Peas. Okay, so I have my little helper, okay, over here, Amani, my daughter, okay. We are about to make these peanut butter cookies, 4 ingredients. I had got this recipe. I'm going to tag the lady in the description, okay. I'm excited. Are you excited to make
Yes!
these? Okay, so we're going to start off getting our measuring cup and measuring our flour, and the 4 ingredients you need is the peanut butter, okay, a half a cup of flour, a half a cup of maple syrup, and a quarter thing of salt, okay? All right, I'm going to put the measurements in the description anyway, child. Okay, let's go. Okay, family, so Amani is doing the 3/4 of peanut butter. I don't know why this peanut butter is so watery. I had got this from Lidl, okay? I don't know why it's like this. And a part of me wanted to use this peanut butter right here, okay, this powder. I had brought that and I barely use it, but
I like it.
Okay, so that's 3/4. You sure that's 3/4? Very good, Amani. Okay, now, Amani, now we gotta put the peanut butter inside in the KitchenAid.
People made it like
Yeah, I don't know why it looks like it. Yeah, I don't know. But these gonna be really good. I'm hoping and praying. Okay, so after we pour the peanut butter inside our KitchenAid, we're gonna then go ahead and do our flour. Again, this recipe, it only calls for 4 ingredients, so that's really, really good. Simple, easy. Okay, so Amani wants to French this. She said it looks dirty. A half a cup.
Here.
Very good. All right, so Amani is going to go ahead and pour the flour in there. A half a cup of flour we need. All right,
the flour is just too like.
Okay, very good. All right, now pour it into the KitchenAid.
Okay. I got it.
Just tap it if you have to. Okay, very good. All right. So then we need a half a cup of maple syrup. Honey, she wanted to wrench this cup again. I'm like, no, that's okay. No, a half a cup, Mama.
Right here.
No, there's 1/4. This is a half. Okay. All right, is that a half?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Now pour it inside the blender.
Put it inside the blender.
Okay, now put that in the sink. All right, and you could wrench that, Mama. Wait, hold on, because we need to put some salt. Okay, so we are doing 1/4 of the salt. Let me see. It's here.
Keep blending.
Mama, wait.
I'm not sure.
Okay, so Amani is adding in the salt. Maybe it was a good idea to actually wrench it. Okay, let's see.
Chocolate.
All right, so Imani wants to put the chocolate in hers. I told her she could do it in hers, but all right, just pour some in it because I don't want it real I don't want a lot of chocolate in there.
That's it?
Okay, so I guess this is a peanut butter chocolate chip cookie. I don't know how this gonna turn out, but okay, let's go. You could do it on 4, just not real high.
Like this?
Okay, so we pretty much is blending our dough.
Maybe it's dough?
Yeah, it's cookie dough, but it looks so loose. All right, so the lady who I got the recipe from, she said if the dough looks really, really loose, go in and add a tablespoon of flour at a time. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do.
Okay, I'll put it.
You gotta get. All right, so Imani had put the flour in here already. Okay, so now we're gonna start taking our dough out and start putting it on a pan. Okay, so right now Imani is pretty much rolling the dough into little balls. Now it's kind of greasy. It's really greasy actually. It's because of the peanut butter, because the peanut butter, it has the oil and stuff in it. But one of the things I said to Imani, I said, why are they so dark like that, right? And she said, oh, because of the chocolate that we put inside the dough. Okay, so we're gonna get this all rolled up and then we're gonna bake this for 9 to 10 minutes. Honey, I'm hoping this comes out really good. Okay, so this is pretty much how the cookies are looking before we bake them. Now they said put like a fork thing, I guess, to give it like this, a little design or whatever. I'm hoping this comes out so good. Oh my goodness. Now, it's gonna come out good. It's gonna come out good. Okay, so now we just gonna bake these for about 9 to 10 minutes.
Chocolate chip peanut butter cookies, and we got some yogurt as well. It's the meat, and it looks good. I'm gonna dip the cookies into the yogurt, and I'm gonna try it. Peace.
Okay, family. So we took the cookies out of the oven, and I told Imani we have to wait until they like pretty much harden up a little bit. But honey, at first I was a little scared because I said, "Oh my goodness, maybe it's not gonna come out too good." I don't know. Okay, but honey, they look really, really good. And at first they was a little too dark. Okay, but they came out. Now we're gonna see how they taste. But before that, let's take a picture for the thumbnail. 1 second. How
This one's hot.
That one looks a little crispy.
Mine?
Oh, this one. All right, we're not going to do that one. I'm going to try this one. How is his?
This tastes so good.
You know what we put good? We have to put some more, probably some more salt. You don't like it? Or maybe it's too much. So
What about the sugar?
we put sugar. Maybe. So I don't know if we put too much salt. What do you think, Amari?
It tastes so good.
There's a little salt here. All right, I'm gonna put the recipe in the description. If you want to make these yourself and try them, then you can. Or I don't know if it was the peanut butter.
tastes like peanut butter.
No, it's peanut butter chocolate chip cookies.